Centella asiatica or Gotukola, as known in South India and Sri Lanka, is a herbal plant. We traditionally use this plant to make smoothies. Normal ingredients may include some rice, but in this case, I replaced it with soy flour to make it healthy and added some powdered milk. Ingredients: 1. Gotukola leaves about 2–3 grams, 2. About 20–30 grams of soy flour. 0.3. Milk or milk powder to taste. 0.4. Salt to taste and 2 cups of water. Method: use a blender or suitable device to make to smoothie and boil it unlike the traditional smoothie if you wish. Overview of benefits: it was used to heal wounds, improve mental clarity, and treat skin conditions such as leprosy and psoriasis. Some people use it to treat respiratory infections, such as colds, and in the past it was used for that in China. Pegged as the herb of longevity, Gotukola is a staple in traditional Chinese, Indonesian, and Ayurvedic medicine. Practitioners claim the medicinal plant has the power to boost brainpower, heal skin issues, and promote liver and kidney health, and some studies seem to agree. According to the Healthline website, a small research in 2016 compared the effects of Gotukola extract and folic acid in boosting cognitive function after a stroke. This small study assessed the impact on 3 groups of participants, one taking 1 gram of Gotukola per day, one taking 750 mg of Gotukola per day, and one taking 3 mg of folic acid per day. Although Gotukola and folic acid were equally beneficial in improving overall cognition, Gotukola was more effective in improving the memory. A separate research looked at the cognitive enhancing effects of Gotukola water extract on mice. Although both young and old mice showed improvements in learning and memory, the effect was higher in the older mice. Centella asiatica, also known as Gotukola or Indian pennywort, is a herbaceous plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. It is known for its potential health benefits, but it's important to note that cognitive function. Some studies suggest that Centella asiatica may have cognitive enhancing properties. It is believed to improve memory and cognitive function. Wound healing: Centella asiatica has been used traditionally for wound healing. It may help stimulate collagen production and enhance the healing process. Anti-inflammatory properties: the herb contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Skin health: Centella asiatica is often used in skincare products due to its potential benefits for skin health. It may help improve conditions such as psoriasis and dermatitis. Antioxidant effects: the plant contains antioxidants that may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Venous insufficiency: some research suggests that Centella asiatica may improve symptoms of venous insufficiency, a condition where blood has difficulty returning from the legs to the heart. Anxiolytic effects: there is some evidence to suggest that Centella asiatica may have anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects. Drawbacks: I will show you the blood sugar test results on the screen, before and after the Gotukola smooth. In the meantime, allergic reactions: like any substance, some individuals may be allergic to Centella asiatica, leading to skin irritation or other allergic reactions. Interactions with medications: Centella asiatica may interact with certain medications. If you are taking any prescription medications, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using Centella asiatica supplements. Pregnancy and breastfeeding: there is limited research on the safety of Centella asiatica during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it's advisable for pregnant or nursing women to avoid it or consult with a healthcare professional. Liver concerns: in rare cases, there have been reports of liver toxicity associated with high doses of Centella asiatica. However, more research is needed to fully understand this potential risk. Gastrointestinal upset: some people may experience gastrointestinal upset, such as nausea or diarrhea, when taking Centella asiatica. It's crucial to approach the use of herbal supplements with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. Additionally, scientific research on herbal remedies is an ongoing process, and new findings may emerge over time. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe.